Okay, be Statue of Liberty. You have to do it.
Does the Statue of Liberty move?
This is Nathaniel getting ready for school.
On the day that he gets up his papa. Come on. Come on. Socks.
Go get your socks on. I'm taking video of you getting ready for school. Get your socks on. Show the video camera how you can do it yourself. Can you put your own socks on? Can Daddy put your shoes on the right feet today?
What's up with Daddy?